You guys are having a little snack?
I'm not done.
You're not done?
No, I'm not.
What are you eating?
Chips.
Chips. Here. Hey, Bentley, why don't you go jump for us? Wow. Good job. Hey, Avery, can you show us how to do your somersault?
Okay. I ate my chips.
Okay.
When I do my chips, I would do somersault.
Okay.
Comes the weasel. The monkey's trying to roll. The monkey takes the weasel. And the dog.
Avery, he's singing Ring Around the Rosie. You sing Ring Around the Rosie, right? I'm gonna get on. Avery, do it. Do your somersault. Wait, Bentley, stop jumping for a minute. Wait, Bentley, stop jumping for a minute. Bentley, stop jumping for a minute. Woo! There you go. Now do Ring Around the Rosie.
Wait a minute.
No, with Bentley. With Bentley.
Bentley.
You guys want to Ring Around the Rosie? Oh, look at him. What should we call him?
We're not gonna call him anything.
Why?
Because he's gonna pass by our farm.
How about shoes or belt?
No.
Seriously?
No, he said
We're not
Avery
gonna
wants to
know
turn to
his
hold him.
belt.
Does Avery want to turn to hold him?
No.
Do you want to hold him, Bentley?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't
Can you put
switch
him
it.
in his hand?
Don't
No,
squish
he
him.
doesn't want to hold him.
He's too scary.
It's not scary.
Because if we squat too.
Maybe. You coming down?
Yep.
Watch your
Avery,
butt.
scratch with your brush. It's fine.
Now we wake up with
Hold on.
the ball.
Wait, you have to wait.
Avery, smile for the camera.
We have to all go
Bentley,
at
smile
once
for the
and watch the butts.
What's a
Avery.
butt?
Watch the horses' butts. Can you make room for Bentley up there, Avery?
Okay.
There.
Well,
Hand? Who wants a hand? You want a hand? This one's Missy.
Silver's over here. This is Silver.
Okay, move for a sec, Sam.
Avery, smile for the camera.
Okay, you can go back if
Smile
you
for
want
the
to.
camera.
I got the big one.
Look at Brianna climbing
I know.
around. You know, it's a good thing we have good horses, Brianna.
Down?
What?
Got your
Good thing we have good horses.
Yes, it is very good.
Put this foot back.
Alright. Watch out, little monkey.
What are you doing, Kendra?
I'm making your back.
Okay, you're not jumping on her from there. Okay.
Wasn't planning on jumping on her at all.
Daddy, can I
Oh, Bentley, come here, sweetie. Good job, thank you.
Oh. Alright.
Why are you taking a picture of that trimming?
Bunch of monkeys. Kids.
Missy.
Okay, we can't get in the house though.
So mom and dad are on the way to Toronto. We're going to drive right by the door.
Stay here. I think
So they're taking them, but they don't know each other.
Hi, baby.
So how do you trim a deformed foot?
Just like that.
So just no, like it's just a trimming like the normal foot. Whoa, that is a
What do they do to...
look at
Little horses.
like how different that foot is compared to that one.
And stuff like that.
That is different. Would you just trim it like a normal hoof?
You make it as normal as possible.
Wow, it's so different. Look at that was
Doesn't it look
long.
different?
It does. Look at that hoof, and then that hoof.
Oh yeah, I guess so.
That's different. That's a
That
different.
looks like a shoe.
It kind of does. There's her hoof. deformed.
That looks
Yeah,
like.
Donna's coming out of her comfort zone. Selfies, great.
No, I don't.
This one's nicer. You want him to give us some of your bottle, or I have a bottle for him as well. You want to give this bottle to Bentley? All right.
Woohoo!